Hi, everyone. Today, we are going to look at who a project manager is and what they actually do. A project manager is someone who guides a project from its beginning to its completion. According to the Project Management Institute, project managers are organized, goal-oriented professionals who use innovation, creativity, and collaboration to lead projects that make an impact. If you want to learn more about this definition, you can visit the Project Management Institute website. Now, imagine a company building a new mobile application. You have developers writing the code, designers creating the interfaces, UI/UX designers working on the user experience, testers testing the application, and business people deciding what the product needs. But someone needs to bring all these different people, tasks, and goals together. That's where the project manager comes in. A project manager helps define what needs to be delivered, creates and manages the project management plan, coordinates the team, tracks progress, manages risks and changes, communicates with stakeholders, and helps keep the project on track. Let me give you another example. If there's a risk that development might take longer than expected, the project manager needs to assess its impact, communicate with the team, prepare a response, and decide whether the project plan needs to change. This is one example of the work a project manager does. They also need to balance things like scope, time, costs, quality, resources, and risk. Scope is basically the boundaries of the project, what the project will do and what the project will not do. Resources can include people, equipment, materials, money, and other things needed to complete the project. And then we have risk. A risk is something that hasn't happened yet, but might happen in the future. For example, a key developer might leave the project in the future. That could become a risk for the project. Now, there's something important to understand. A project manager isn't simply the boss of everyone. I'll explain more about the difference between being a manager and being a leader in an upcoming video. But for now, remember that a project manager's role is more about leading, coordinating, communicating, solving problems, and helping the team work towards the project goal. So, a good project manager needs more than just project management knowledge. They also need skills like communication, leadership, organization, negotiation, problem solving, and decision making. In simple terms, you can think of a project manager as the person who connects the people, plans, resources, and goals of a project and helps guide everything towards a successful outcome. So now I think you have a good understanding of who a project manager is and what they do. In the next video, I will explain the difference between a project, program, and portfolio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.